This is the T100 Crafts Material Cutter. It is a 32-inch capacity with a spring-loaded guide rail. It has a fold-out measuring arm and squaring bars. This tool comes with a mat knife, which is good for cutting foam core and mat board, and a rotary cutter, which is good for paper, fabric, photographs, and things like that. The only installation required for the T100 Crafts Material Cutter is installation of the squaring bars. With the open side down, press it into that slot. This is the shorter one of the two. And then with the open side down, press this in to the other side. And that's all there is to it. It's done. Okay, I'm going to cut a piece of 10-inch foam board. I'm going to move my measuring bar out here. I'm going to make sure that my little plastic thing is not in there. I'm going to put my foam board in here against the squaring arm to 10 inches. Now I'm going to release this knurl knob and move it down to the last notch, which is for foam board, 3/16 foam board. Tighten it up, start right above the foam board. You don't want to start on it, start right above it, and consistently bring it down like this. There's your piece. Now I'm going to cut a piece of mat board to 9 inches. Using the squaring bar, of course. I'll reset my knife to the middle notch. See, the blade is just extended a little bit. Start right above it, right against the rail. And you got a perfect cut. Now to use the rotary cutter, I'm going to reinstall the plastic insert. Get my material that I plan to cut. This zebra stuff is kind of foam paper or something like that. It's the kind of thing you might run into when you're doing crafts. I'm going to put it in here to 5 inches, keeping it against the cutting bar. Now I have to loosen this knurl knob, push that out of the way of the blade, so the blade is extending below this guard. Wonderful. And that's the operation of the T100 Crafts Material Cutter. Remember that when you're using the mat knife, you want to use the Logan 270 blades. And when you're using the rotary cutter, you use the T10 rotary blades.